Hey everybody, Shane again with another Transformer. This time I'm reviewing Autobot Roadbuster. He was part of the Dark of the Moon movie line. Now, he was part of a group of Autobots called the Wreckers. There was Roadbuster right here, there was Autobot Topspin, and there was Leadfoot. I've already reviewed a Legion class Leadfoot. Now, they only released 2 of those 3 in the Deluxe class. Only one they didn't release here was a Deluxe class Leadfoot. Now, what made them unique, aside from the fact they're probably like the only true Autobot team, was the fact that all 3 of them, their alt modes, were actually NASCAR vehicles. Matter of fact, Roadbuster right here, as you can see, is the number 88 car. He's Dale Earnhardt Jr.'s car. And what you might find funny is these are officially licensed and approved by the by NASCAR. Actually, if you got the Legion class ones, if you got the Deluxe class ones, if you got the Human Alliance ones, they actually had a holographic NASCAR seal of approval, which I thought was actually pretty cool. But as for his mech-tech weapon, it's basically a gun that's got a extending little chainsaw blade. But you can mount it on either one of his arms, or you can mount it on his back. There's a little circle right there you can put the weapon into. That will eventually pop back out. Now, as far as his transformation is concerned, if I remember, you can go ahead pop out the robot himself. Go ahead, rotate his head 180 degrees. You can go ahead and just rotate his body right here. While you're at it, go ahead and fold in the... Hold on a second, I got him. Fold in his little shoulder pieces right here. But at this point, you should be able to just go ahead and fold in the tail section, his little rear bumper section. Now, these pieces are stubborn, but then again, I really don't play with my Transformers, so they have a tendency to stay tight with me. If you want to, you can go ahead and straighten up his arms. Go ahead and make them the side of his vehicle mode. Now, at this point, the hood right here, you can go ahead and flip it out. Get that prepped. Now, go ahead, fold up the main body. Make sure that you assist this with getting the rest of the hood up here. Alright. You can then go ahead, fold in his feet. You can see there's a peg right here and a peg hole right here for his legs. Go ahead, rotate them. Snap them together. Make sure that his head is aligned right there. You can go ahead and snap the tail back into place, into position. Alright, I had to open it so I can get his head in here. But that's it right there. You should then just be able to pop the doors into place. Just fiddle around with it. But this right here should be his finished alt mode right here. As you can see, it is the number 88 Dale Earnhardt Jr. car. And I'll admit, this actually looks really good. This looks surprisingly good. Now, granted, it don't make me want to go collect, NASCAR cars, but actually see one in, in a Transformer form is actually pretty sweet. Let's see. But, yeah, he's actually a pretty cool figure if you can still find him. But that's just my little take on Autobot Roadbuster. You have a good day.